Hi, my name is Manan and I will be instructing you regarding clean coding practices and things to take into consideration while writing clean, flexible, and maintainable code. Everyone has their own conventions and practices while writing down code, but when we are working together as a team on a certain project, it is very important that we have all our conventions in synchronization so that everyone can have a clear understanding of the code. This helps in maintaining the project by improving readability and the flexibility. As an example, I will be walking you through the process of making a linked list in Python. We will start with a quick, crude implementation of linked list, and then as we make progress, we will refactor our code step by step to get an effective implementation out of it. Our linked list will contain two basic functionalities. One of adding the nodes from the end and the other removing nodes from the beginning, just like queues with first in first out approach. You might be familiar with many things that I'm going to go through in the upcoming sessions. So just sit back, relax and take notes accordingly.